If your Sonos Play 3 isn't showing up in the app, keeps dropping out, or refuses to respond, a hard reset is often the most reliable fix. Over time, network changes, app sync issues, or stored settings can cause the speaker to get stuck in a bad state. When that happens, reconnecting or restarting won't fully solve it because the problem is saved internally. A hard reset clears everything like Wi Fi and previous configurations so the speaker can start fresh. It only takes a minute, but doing it correctly is what makes it work. Let's go through it step by step. Try these. 1. Unplug the Sonos Play 3 from the power outlet. 2. Press and hold the play pause button on the speaker. 3. While holding the button, plug the power cable back in. 4. Continue holding until the indicator light flashes and changes color. 5. Release the button once the reset sequence begins. 6. Open the Sonos app and set up the speaker again.